Hi guys, it's Megan Mize.
And I'm Jared Cook.
And we're here at the Perry Company in Waco, Texas, where we design and manufacture the Fortress product line.
And today we're going to take a closer look at the lift kits that we have for the Kawasaki Pro FXT 1000 and 820. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, Jared, so tell us, what is the difference between the 1000 and the 820?
So it seems that there's different platforms. We didn't know that when we brought this unit in. This was our sweepstakes unit. And so when we brought it in, we go, okay, we're gonna put an 820 lift on it and do that deal. As soon as we get it here, it's completely different, especially in the rear. And as we went through and we're designing this, we've come to know now that the 820 platform and the 1000 platform are different. It is a little nuanced, so I would say go to our website, check that out. It's going to help you verify fitment on these lift kits, and then also talk with your local dealer. Your dealers know what's going on with these lift kits, but that's the main differences.
All right, and what made y'all decide to do the 3-inch lift versus like a 2-inch lift?
Well, I wanted to do 28-inch tires on this deal, and when we looked at all the lift kits that are out there, because there's quite a few, we looked at them and some said they were 2-inch, some said they were 3-inch, and they ranged all over the place. So when we actually put them on and started measuring, we would ride them for a little bit, measure, ride them for a little bit. We didn't find consistency in that, and so when we designed what we felt was the best solution for a lift kit on this unit, it came out right at 3 inches, and that's why we designed a 3-inch lift.
All right. Okay, so if I am installing this into my unit, about how long is it going to take me if I've never done it before?
If you've never done it before, I would give yourself a good half day. I would say that you're going to want to be looking at about 4 hours or so. Quite possibly not going to take you that long, but you do want to take your time when you're doing a lift kit. This is not something to be rushed. We want everybody, first and foremost, to be safe in the way that they're modifying their units. And when it comes to suspension and lift kits and that sort of stuff, take your time. I say about 4 hours.
Okay. And then my last question is, what makes this lift kit different than, because there are hundreds of lift kits on the market, so what makes this one different? So
we did something very different in the back, which is reinforcing the framework of the unit with 1/4-inch plates. And then also in the front, we're using 1/4-inch material as well. And so we feel that the angle at which your shocks are mounted and everything that goes into kind of the engineering behind this, we really spent some time so that when we say it's a 3-inch lift, you get a 3-inch lift, and that you get a nice quality product at the end that's not going to tear up the framework of your unit, but actually add structural integrity.
All right. Yep. Okay, well, go to Fortress Pro, find your local dealer, and get one of our 3-inch lift kits for the Kawasaki Pro FXT.
And if you can't find a dealer near you, go ahead and go to fortresspro.com and you can buy the lift kit there as well. Thanks, guys.